Scientists used high-resolution thermal imaging to uncover something wild about flamingos. Their cameras showed that a flamingo's tucked leg stays warmer, which means standing on one leg helps the bird save energy. So researchers pushed this further with advanced biomechanical sensors, revealing that the one-leg stance is almost effortless because their joints lock naturally. This combo of heat mapping and motion tracking proved the pose isn't quirky. At all, it's a precision energy hack built by evolution. And the twist is that this same tech is now helping engineers design energy-saving balance systems for robots.